WP Baro Shakathuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sini kilong. Pelait fight ba u Dr. Khuborjylla ke kali kit long pangdunan Kotmen. Here ke team football Minken High Secondary School ke Paris, France. Li jaka sumar nong pangkakong Aidaris Marbaniang Hashnong maupun Kshat. Bat ki pulit kidai ki parlok wat ting klai ki. Bat mintangin pasha ki Khubor bakam dunia. Ka Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Center haka arpo artrek LBER arjar arpusan kalapalait pai ba ekakali ka bankit kerpang tangi ki breu ki bedon jingduna ki department kum ki bamla banya lani ki basyong da wheelchair. Hakini kesngi la pelait pai-pai kini kekali do Reverend Dr. R.R. Kanvil haka jingadon ringkat u Dr. Jylla, Reverend Pastor Terence William Wanshong bat ke Dr. Lahun Lang Solia, Director Jongka Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. Haba ajing keren hagini ke jingelang na kaliang kekong Rinalin dong dhar kabala batai halor ke jinglong bekerpang jong kini kinongpang na marki pher haka rukom im bekidon ke jingduna haki dekotmet.
To ask for hassle-free travel. It is simply a luxury for us now, and that's why we have stopped traveling by bus. Shillong is one of the 100 cities identified by the Government of India to be developed as a smart city. It is mentioned in the Shillong Smart City project that the vision for the city is to transform Shillong into a citizen-friendly city. How friendly is it for the differently abled and for the elderly citizens living among us? We may not have experienced trauma as they have, or know the hurt, or imagine the struggle they face. We may have a variety of choices to get from one place to another: a scooter, a taxi, a bus, a bike, or the best, we can walk, but they cannot. This here may seem like something small. Yes, it may be so. For those of us who do not struggle, it is small. But for those who struggle, it is not small. What we begin here today is for those living with disabilities amongst us. For those who do not have the liberty or the freedom to go to their places of worship, who cannot go shopping to Police Bazaar, those who cannot socialize because they cannot travel without it being a hassle to their families, as we have just heard. We are here to support those of you who cannot travel with ease. And we hope it will begin to make a difference in your lives. Today, we introduce the wheelchair accessible vehicle, which will help us to take a step toward that vision of being a citizen-friendly city. This is not only the first in this city, but in this state and in the entire northeast of India, as far as we know. There are only a handful of these wheelchair accessible vehicles in the country, and this here is one of them. At this point, I need to express my gratitude to a few people who are the reason that the project has come to fruition.
Ka team football under 17 na Minken High Secondary School Bhoirumbong kabalami na Shillong Shanong ba Paris kari France ban Shiminta ha ka kun football balajer kerteng Indo-French football tournament kabanlong hakini kanong ba na do ka arpo South Rek ado lai pau terek ulber. Lapalong da kajingelang kitbok ya kani ka team ha Center Point Hotel Shillong ha ka arpo arterek ha ka baladon lang uba Hamlet Darling advisor jong menteri rang ba. Ha ka jingkren kitbok ya kani ka team ha kani ka jingelang uba Hamlet ulapan pau ka jingkemen bagi Samla lut na Themri boy kilayo ikani ka kabuk siar ban penpau perthai la ka jingtebit ha khamat kari bapau nam ha ka jingele akai football. Ulapan shlori kini Samla lut ban yele akai na duk ka minsim bat ban pen ilut ila ka jingtebit ha khamat ki pai ba jong kanong ba Paris. Ulapan pau ka jingkermen ba ka jing angnut ban yu so bat hiang jong ka jingjob na kani ka team batebit jong ka Jylla. Ulo ongru ken mau bantingkan Jylla kajing bitar bat kajing kluit bit haba pidan hamadan yele kai. Ben iya ka akor babhatam hakmat ke perthai ulo ong. Ulo ongru ba ke Meghalaya kadang don kami ke skul hikai sports pekerpang ke ban kentiu bat sandur ya kalawe jeng ke Samla ke badan kisap pekerpang ha kajing yele kai bebuncai. Udiki Shira Director ke Sports and Youth Affairs ula batai ha kidekot kini ke tim da ke boong ke Paris ke ke nongba jong ke football kini ke kabuk siar na ke benta jong pi ban syajit ban long ki klur football ha ki snem ban wan ha ke jeng em jong pi ulo ongru ba ke Paris ke nongba jong ke akor long brio ba kensai kumta pen I ba pilong ki ba wan na keri ba ke Jylla ke balashai ha ke akor ke buram long brio ula penkut
right from for all these 90 minutes, we have seen the skill, the technique, the tactic, and the spirit that you have. It is because of this quality that you have that you are getting this opportunity to participate in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris. So on this very day, I would prefer to take my advantage to congratulate Bambi, the owner of the Shillong Legend Football Club. It was a club that has produced maximum numbers of players, not only in the junior level, but also in the senior level. We have seen the contribution in the field of players in the state of Meghalaya. It is true, the hard work of the Shillong Legend Football Club, and we should not forget also our football coach, Bobby. So today, Minkan Higher Secondary School, we are very, very fortunate that the government of Meghalaya is organizing this set of program. And also, Meghalaya Football Association also is taking part on this very important program because we are very, very happy that we are getting this opportunity to play in the international level. We are here today to give you the best wishes to all of you, and we hope that the same spirit that you always have, that you will show up, you will play again all this international team, and we believe that you will beat all this team and you will come up in flying colors. On behalf of the Meghalaya government, and also on behalf of the Meghalaya Football Association, I'd like to wish you all the very best. But a small advice from our side to you, sir, when you are there in the foreign country, the most important part is that you should have discipline. Discipline is very, very important, and please do obey the official who will be with you, especially the coach. People all over the world, they will watch you. People all
Kakong Aidaris Marbanyang, kelepli kejaka Sumarnong Pang Hasnong maupun ksat na kebentai kitu kiba shitom blood pressure tersan yap Shillong kidekot men kiba klot mat bat penkem ye kiba pangmet bat jerai kithiet ki kti ki kejat bat rendang. Kakong Aidaris Marbanyang kalayo ikani gejing start hadin bakalabut din bat sya ikai sanibha ke kemi jongka kabalayo pateng ikani gejing start ni kilong shwa ke yingkasem bat kekur kejat jongka. Lepeli kini kejaka Sumar Nongpang jong kokong Aidaris ha maupun kshat du sordar uba bandari rintathiang ha kejing don lang kirangba kinongpang bat kitu kibala yo jingkwat na kikti bat jing Sumar jongka. Kokong Aidaris nadu dang kena kala syak hikai bat kala yarap Sumar Nongpang ya kekini jongka. Minta kala beteng ya kini kesap pan Sumar bat penkot yakin para beriu ki bapang bestam ha kejing jongki.
Ngakar teng jonga ada res marbanyang syong asa hani ko mo bisa na sumar dia diberi nadu pelung di bala teman dengan penukang asa batini di dawai kini kita di dawai na bertaki kentai minta kiramba itu sini piti minta izin sumar pelongban dengan hapet yang kau sumar sudah kadawai kapun kem dah dia nangku pada bala ayu pada don kampat dah ka rumah pensum tapi haka basum ru kadon saujat dan sanjat kadawai bangan konlang ke nakatu bagi tu sio jin nyarap yang kali tengah aslam debat nanti nak ko university ru bidon bawan kondusi sia asil sisna di bawah Sumari Nahanampo, si Shillong, si di bawah Sumari. Kidawai nadu kidawai kiba sop papat iyang nang ta kini kibadi de kidawai ki kembat ban siat aku unsum de bat kidawai kiban kelan kuntu. Long nadu dang kena bala kai di ini dah terhadap long tu minang yai petengkan tes kini sedikit ia itu long itu ikan nak liang kakot kakia ani tidak buon tidak dikih aja nak kabun diberi nama dengan kampat bu cinta bu record dah dia baru terkadang nak buon lagi beri tidak itu lot kanya anur jonga kalong ba kibrio ki papang ki basdom kin kham sup de bangar ngan khamla kan ban yarab ki haka por ka babiang bakin lat ban slan kila ban suan de hang ni an yo ban pe penia kanya ki
Kaseng 3 months ngobha na kabenta kabha kamyat pat karoy kapa ke imlang salang ka Bosco Integrated Development Society ka bits kalawanra ikawi kapang perkhat bathamai kipulit bat ki police station kidi ki parlok bat ki ketem ban yarap amtang ban penshitom ni pensajai ki briu kani kesan perkhat balawan ra de kebits kalong ban penchluri ki knarit iki samla lot bat iki samla bantur she ki pulit bat ki police station ban yo jing yarap kanu kapor bagi don kam ha kajing em jongki ki pulit kidi ki parlok kumalong lem ki we ki briu amde ban ting klai ki kidi ki briu ki bala ban shanya ki bala ban yarap bat ban weng na kanu kajing ni jing stom bengi kendu ha kajing em jongi haka arpo artrik LBER kinong ilam jong kabits kila pelong ya kajing nek jingok kai ya ka police station lumding juri Shillong ringkat bat arpo sangut ki kena red bat samla lot kini ki kena kila yok ban ya kren parlok da kajing kemen bat arngut ki pulit officer layu i begini ki kena kila sedang ban sngau thu ikamen sim sngau lem para bril jong ki pulit kermen bana ini jing sedang berit in wanra ikajing kala ha gurukam perkhat perdan jong ki babon shapang ki pulit nang ne shakmat.
So hello everyone. The purpose of today's program was to bring our child club members to the police station. The objective was to develop the relationship between police personnel and children. We have been working with children for quite many years, and what we have realized is there is still a gap between police and children. As a result of that, whenever required, children they do not approach police because the fear is there in them. So we had brought this matter to the higher officials, to our respected SP Sir Vivek CM, to our respected additional SP Sir Ivan, and with their help we had organized this program which is called Visit My Police Station, and this is the first visit which our children from the adjoining area under the Jylla police station have visited, and following this there will be many more programs which will be done in other police stations as well, where children will be visiting the other police station, and through this program we hope to establish a relationship between police and children, and also develop confidence in children that whenever they need police, or whenever they see some children who are being abused, or who are going through trouble or difficult times and who need police assistance, they can call police. So the program, like I had mentioned earlier, is called Visit My Police Station, organized in collaboration with SP East Khasi Hills and Child Foundation Shillong, a project under Bosco Integrated Development Society.
But dakini gi Khubor ngila poisha kabakot tat hadu pingda syambiang koble shibot.